Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. And the first option is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then, at the bottom of the charging case, we have USB-C port. Connect USB-C cable right at this port. And the most important is this LED light on the front side. So, if we see it, meaning that earbuds are charging. The second option is to use your phone to charge your earbuds. This earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use reverse wireless charging. We can use the cable, USB-C to USB-C. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now let's connect USB-C cable to the phone and the second one to the charging port at the charging case. Again, we need to check this LED light. Again, we have it, so it also works. Third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your earbuds using, let's say, your PC or another device with USB-A port. So, it looks like this. Now, I will connect USB-C cable to my earbuds, and I will connect USB-A cable to my PC. But as I said, you can use another device with USB-A port. Okay, I just did it, and again we have the LED light, so it's also charging your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.